how to turn off voicemail on iPhone. So first of all, go ahead to the settings, and then basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna scroll a little bit down to the apps. All right, scroll a little bit down till you find the phone. Click on the phone. And basically, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to the voicemail, and you're gonna just go ahead and shut it down from the settings. Right, you're gonna find the live voicemail. Just because I don't have the new feature, but if you do, just go ahead and turn off. And basically, what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go to your phone app, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to the keypad, and then you're gonna type right here, right, star, right, no, sorry, not star, hashtag 004 hashtag, and then basically you're gonna just go ahead and call the number, basically in order to shut down any voicemails on your iPhone, right? And basically, if you still have the same issue and you want to forward that call to someone else, go ahead to the main settings, right, and then go ahead to the call forwarding, right. You're gonna wait for a few moments, and then you're gonna just go ahead. You're gonna see another option, forwarding to. If you just turn it on, just go ahead and click forward to, and then enter anonymous number. So any anonymous call will be forwarded to that unknown number. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank